Welcome to my channel Kitchen Mania by Preeti.
Hello everyone, I'm back again with an interesting recipe of course, but with a thank you message too. Thank you so much everyone who has encouraged me, supported me to come this far. Finally, my first milestone, 100 subscribers and counting. So please keep supporting, please keep encouraging and boost me so that I can come up with more innovations which is helpful for me and everybody.
So friends, in today's video I have taken soya nuggets and the vegetables which I have marinated and sauteed and enriched its nutri-quotient with palak. Thank you for 100 plus subscribers and waiting for more. This numeric 100 is dedicated to all my subscribers, family, friends who have supported me. Keep supporting, keep encouraging. Thank you.
So friends, here's that super interesting recipe which is vegetable soya nuggets kebab, and this is loved by all age groups. I'm not making it more spicy because my toddler loves it too. So you can give it to small munchkins. You can give it to those who are diet freaks and looking out for protein-rich diet. You can give this as a crunchy munchy snack to any age group, no harm. In fact, this is a very healthy snack where I am not at all gonna do this deep fry. We are going to roast it after marinating it on medium flame, and let's see. So all that I'm using here is soya nuggets, yellow bell pepper, white onion, some broccoli, and now to spice it up I'm going to use ginger and garlic. It is a very good immunity booster for any age group, and to crunch it up I'm using besan and rice flour. For spicing it up I have taken here little black pepper powder, some Kashmiri red chili powder, jeera powder, some pav bhaji masala which is homemade, some assorted nuts powder, rock salt to taste, lemon juice for that tangy taste, and the twist is again, you all know, some colors definitely are included in any of my recipes. So using palak puree for the marination to add on that extra health quotient. Let's start. So here I have taken some water and added little rock salt to it. Let's stir it a little and add upon the nuggets to it. We'll stir it again and we'll leave in this hot water for some time till it softens. Leave it the way it is and turn off the flame, and once it cools down we can just squeeze the water and we'll prepare for marination. The nuggets have cooled down now, so let's squeeze it quite well. You should extract the water completely, then only the marination would go fine. Just squeeze it well and keep adding it to the mixing bowl. I absolutely love nuggets. So you can see I have taken a big vessel and added broccoli which is nicely washed and cleaned in turmeric water, yellow bell pepper, white onions and squeezed nuggets. Now it's time to marinate it. So let's get started. So before adding any other stuffs to this marination, we will first add palak puree to it. because we have to see how much watery it is and what's the consistency level. And after adding salt, it may lose water again. So we are going to put salt in the last. Let's just mix it quite well. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste to it. Always prefer to make a fresh paste of ginger and garlic because that gives you a great aroma and great taste. Mixed quite well. Now squeeze half a lemon to it to add that tang. So here I have taken 1/4 bowl of besan flour and 1/4 bowl of rice flour. Let's combine this. Mix it. Time to add spices to the marination. I have taken here assorted nuts powder. When I say assorted, it is almonds, cashews and pistachios plus makhana, which is dry roasted and coarsely grinded. This is homemade pav bhaji masala. Some bhuna jeera powder, roasted jeera powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, which is optional. It just adds a good color and little tangy taste. It's not that spicy. Instead, I have used black pepper powder, which is a good immunity booster. So after adding all these ingredients, let's mix it again. And pour few drops of mustard oil to it. Let's combine this quite well and leave this marination for 30 minutes. So I had covered it under the lid for 30 minutes and now 30 minutes are over. The aroma, the flavors are nicely infused in the veggies as well as the nuggets. So now we are ready to go. We will add upon the salt to it. I'm using here pink salt, and now I'll combine it again with my hand so that the salt is properly mixed into it. I've heated an appe pan here or paniyaram pan, and I'm brushing upon some mustard oil. Now let's start pouring the veggies. Place the veggies here. Sprinkle some oil overall. And cover it with a lid. Cook this under the lid till it's done from one side, and then we will flip and crunch it again. This looks extremely yummy. Now let's check if it is done from one side. Yes, it is. So let's just flip all of it. So you can see it's all quite nicely roasted from one side, and we will brush upon some more of mustard oil so that when we flip it, it's crunchier the other side as well. Wow, I'm in absolute love with the color, the aroma, which I can feel and virtually you cannot, but you can when you try this recipe. Kept separating it so that it's roasted and crunched from all the sides. So you can see the veggies are all done perfectly, and I have some sticks here in which I will just pile it up like kebabs. I had some homemade potato chips which I will just crush over it to give it a more tastier and exciting look.
Yummy, healthy, veg-loaded soya kebabs are ready, which is enriched with the power of palak, loads of veggies, soya nuggets, and the dry fruits powder too.
Thank you for watching. If you've liked my recipe and my video, please like, share and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.
For detailed recipe of veg-loaded soya kebabs, please check the description box and drop in your comments on how have you liked my recipe. Thank you.